All right, welcome back. Thank you for joining us. Today we have a very special unboxing. Just got this in the mail, special FedEx delivery, the new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Been waiting a long time for this one. I have I guess you could say, storied past and or history with flip devices. I might go into it here just real quickly while I open this up. Did not have the first model, the very first one. I had the second gen, I had the third gen, and I had the fourth gen. Now, the second gen, I wasn't too fond of it, if you remember those. It just had the little cutout display at the very top right, or top left, I believe, just for basically time. That was the second gen. Third gen, battery life was the worst battery life I've ever had on any device, period. So I got rid of that one. And then the fourth gen, I actually broke the screen on the 13th day of having it. And I had a 14-day return window. So I literally broke it the night before my very last day. So I returned it on the last day to get my money back. So I initially was not going to get this device. However, with the new big display up top, it changes the game for this type of device, this type of foldable, because you can do so much. You can do so much with the outer display now. So let's see what you get in here. Samsung book. This looks like a SIM ejector pin. I'm sure I don't really care about this stuff, but I know some people do. You get the USB Type-C to C official Samsung cable. You get the quick start guide, which nobody reads. And I have 1,000 of these in the home already, so I doubt I'll use it. We'll just keep it in here just in case. I'll throw this to the side. I think that's it. There's nothing else in there. So we will not be using this. And I have tons of SIM tray ejectors. So this will go sit in the closet. Now, let's get to the good stuff. This is the device. Pretty small box, no more brick chargers in here, so fairly small. And here's the phone. Very thin, very tall aspect ratio. I got a black version, and let me tell you why. I got this black version because basically the bezels are black. Now, if you go look at the other reviews and other devices online, all the colored versions have a chrome border, shiny chrome silver border all the way around. This black model is the only version that has a black border all the way around, and I thought it looked so badass. All black, and now it's still kind of shiny it's kind of like a shiny black, but it looks way better than the shiny silver black. It looks way better than the shiny silver chrome looking border. I wanted this phone. I immediately. Now I've been getting away. Now 3 or 4 years ago, I had all my phones would be nothing but black phones, black. Every single phone I got. And then the last couple of years, I got the opposite. And I was getting white. My Pixel 7 Pro is white. My S23 Ultra is white. But I was like, you know what? This looks so badass. They have a ton of cool colors, but this looks so badass that I could not resist. So let's see how you open this thing. It's on there pretty good. Assuming you just peel it open like that. Wow. Oh boy. Now I'm going to do a case review. I do have the Rinky. It's amazing they charge $17 for literally a paper thin piece of plastic that probably costs them 33 cents to manufacture. But yeah, so I got this case. I'm going to review it. I'm going to record that right after this. So if you want to see what that Rinky case looks like on this device. I will have it. I will have the review of that case here in just a minute. Now, looking at the phone, looks like you got 2 mics at the bottom. Is that plastic on there? Some of these have a cellophane border. This does not. Now, looking at the bottom, you got your 2 microphones down here. USB Type-C charging port. You got your speakers. You got a 5G antenna band here. You got more antennas here. That's the other thing. On the other colors that had the chrome silver border, the 5G antenna here and these antennas here really stood out on the other colors. This is the only color where it kind of blends into the side. I've noticed little things like that. There's your SIM tray here, and up top you have another microphone. Going to the right side, you got your volume up, volume down, and then your power button that also doubles as a physical fingerprint scanner, which I like because, as you can tell, my fingers are don't really. This thumb got messed up, then my finger got chopped off, and I've always had issues with this fingerprint here. As you can tell, look. See, this is the good thumb. This is the one that got chopped off. See, so I always had issues. Now I'm not going to be typical. Well, yeah, I guess I would be pushing it right here. So this is going to work out perfect for me. If you have issues, with your fingerprint scanners on the in-display ones, you'll like this because it's right here on the side. Shouldn't have any issues turning it on and reading your fingerprint. So very, very good looking device. Really tall aspect ratio, but it fits absolutely perfect in your hand. Makes it easy to reach across the screen. I'm recording on the S23 Ultra, and as you know, it's a freaking army tank. And which I love, but it makes it hard to, like, if you're brushing your teeth and you're on the phone, it makes it hard to push icons and stuff. So this is pretty easy because it's slender and tall, so it shouldn't be an issue. But I'm going to do a case review here. And that was the unboxing for the Z Flip 5. Now, obviously, I haven't signed in. I'm going to do more reviews. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and let y'all know what comes in the box. Very minimal now, but it is what it is. I'm going to turn this on. I'm going to set this up. I'm going to do case reviews, and we'll get started testing. Cameras, battery life, usability, outside display, all sorts of cool stuff. So can't wait to get this thing rolling. But we are going to get the train started, and subscribe to the channel if you have not. We got tons of Apple news. We have tons of Samsung product reviews, Google Pixel stuff. We're going to order the Pixel 8 Pro here in about, 6 to 8 weeks. So we'll have the new Pixels in. And we are everything mobile technology. So I do appreciate your time, and catch us on the next one. Peace out.